The Sinnoh Stone is an essential item in Pokémon Go, allowing specific Generation I and II Pokémon to evolve into their Generation IV. But let's be real, it's not exactly easy to come by, and many trainers struggle to get it. In this video, I'll show you how to make getting the Sinnoh Stone as easy as possible so you can evolve your Pokémon quickly. Let's take a look at a few ways to get Sinnoh Stone. 1. Completing field research. Complete all tasks for 7 consecutive days for a chance to win a Sinnoh Stone. 2. PvP trainer battles. Battle other trainers, and with some luck, receive a Sinnoh Stone as a reward for winning. 3. Defeat Giovanni. As the boss of Team Go Rocket, you have to be strong enough to beat him. 4. Mystery items from the Go Battle League. This will need us to join the Go Battle League. As you complete enough battles or quests within the league, you may get lucky and receive a Sinnoh Stone. Obtaining the Sinnoh Stone takes a lot of time and involves traveling to various places. That's where iMoveGo comes in. This handy tool can make it much easier to collect Sinnoh Stones right from the comfort of your home. Use the link below this video to download iMoveGo to your PC. Then, connect your phone to your computer via Wi-Fi or a data cable. Let's try joystick mode first. Once you have set the speed, you can control your character's movement with the mouse and keyboard. It's incredibly freeing and is a favorite feature for many trainers. In addition to this, iMoveGo offers automatic walking. Select single or multi-point mode, choose a destination on the map or customize your route. After setting the speed, click Move. You can pause at any time to spin Pokéstops, catch Pokémon, or complete tasks without worrying about getting a soft ban. Both modes are perfect for hatching eggs or completing research tasks. Plus, it even offers a mobile app version that doesn't require a PC. With iMoveGo, getting the Sinnoh Stone doesn't have to be a grind. Click the link below the video to get iMoveGo for free.